Okay, ukufika kwethu la izolo sithe bavala ne sabatshela ukuthi ngoba uMaster akasabafuni abavali bahambe. So namhlanje safika, I'm the first person namanye ama leader ukufika la ngo7. So masifika sihleli bavalile but silinde ukuthi bakhiphe into zabo. Mase sahleli okay wafika uNhlanhla uthi uNhlanhla ufike kanjani I don't know. I asked one of these guys yama Somali yabarne ke rona re fonetse uNhlanhla or ate a tlo buisana leni le community. Ntlantla o biditse the landlord a bitsa landlord a re shosho a sa ba batla ba dumela rone a dumela re a sa ba batla a re okay ka lora o sa ba batla is fine, they can go. When the problem started how fitla Phakela Mthakathi, because that community ne ba emele Ntlantla ba ile ba tsamaya ba ya kae ko motho no lo re ba mo tseba re ba mo emetse for today ba tlo felletsane spa sa re ba itseng ba move out. Yesterday Ntlantla was not there with the community, so the community the time ba thoma o lilizela for Phakela Mthakathi a be lo re Ntlantla o ba leni le problem ya hore why manje ne ba bias, and no one was bias because even le ena re mo file nako ya hae, attention ya hae for his side, but ra motsa hore mora ona a se moloro we can go back forward we go. Le a botsa Phakela Mthakathi ya re ya lento iqalwe yimi what yes we understand ya ba tutula but end of the day itutula yaphelela phi ne community azange esaqhubeka isize le community the way ibe ingakhona bathi itutula the abantu bahamba. So ukufika kumphakathi ile yajabulisa icommunity ngakhulu ukubonisa uthi lo muntu lo afikile uyo muntu akasizani icommunity. So like manje ulandlord she's happy everything uthi labantu baphumile ejarden lakhe naye uzokwazi uba safe. So uthatha kasabafuni ngoba several times baropa la and obvious end of the day lena utlaba affected. So ufika Phakela Mthakathi mina ngibona into enkulu kabe for a community yase Braamfisher ngoba somewhere somehow as a community ya Braamfisher sibuye sinele ukusaba uthi thina sizenzele. So ngoba uPhakela umuntu ahamba ngayo lento le samcela uthi sicela ufike kuphi eBraamfisher uzosiza nge1 2 3 ufikile usizile nangu landlord is happy. Even nabanye bangasabafuni babanike problem bangasabi bavele phambili sizobasiza uthi labantu laba bayenzeni baphume bahambe ngoba khona we know there is a lot of landlord bayasaba uthi bakhulume labantu babahlukumeza but akasabafuni ijarden lakhe akakhulume sizomsiza and then baphume bahambe. If yena you want to operate uzozoperatela mafuna ukufaka abantu kule garage uzofaka abantu bahlale athole imali ye rent. Masikathi before bafika labantu sibe siphila kanjani sibe siphila without bona but manje umuntu uzosifihla ngoba mina hey ngibhadala umntwana etransport 1 2 3 yes we do understand but before bengiphila ngani nathi kunana lento athi vuka zenzele singa relax. That's why end of the day sikhala sithi abantu bangaphandle basithathele imisebenzi abantu bangaphandle bayenzana because asifuni most of us ukusukuma sizenzele. uPhakela Mthakathi mina ngimnika isandla ngimnika itrophy yathi wafika eBraamfisher and then waza wenza into right in our community.
Ngizoma ugcina baba ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngabe kuyiqiniso yini na ukuthi uNhlanhla uthe mayifika waveza ukuthi la iseSoweto iKaslak
le wishilo athi ngeke azozwa ngomunye umuntu la iseSoweto ukhulela iSoweto and akekho umuntu azothi uoniso wethu. Sonke sifikile sibuye la sibuya khona different places. Abanye bazalelwe la. But abazali uthola ukuthi abazalelwanga eGoli. Baza ngemsebenzi bathola izindlu bakha la eGoli. You understand? But sonke abazali bethu babuya different places. Like mina ngibuya Limpopo. Ngakha la abantwana bami bakhulelela whatever family yami ikhulelela. Usho ukuthi abantwana bala ngoba bazalelwe kuphi la but ekhaya kusekhaya. Yena ushilo watshela uphakela Mthakathi athi kusesowethu la eKasilani. And vele uphakela Mthakathi esemen azanga amlwise. Kunoba nama argument siloko singena phakathi kwabo sibakhuza whatever. Watshela nophakela Mthakathi athi yena akanani ama bodyguard. So singazi ukuthi uphakela Mthakathi kunama bodyguard ngoba mangihamba nabangani bami uthi ngihamba nabantu not usothi ama bodyguard wami iyabantu labazoba bangithanda ukuhamba nami.
Asibonga kakhulu baba ithubo siphela.
Ngibonga kakhulu baba.